Hey guys, Spencer from Z1. Today we're taking a look at our VR swap trans kit for the 370Z. If you're boosting your automatic 370Z or you're in the market to maybe make a repair because you've had a torque converter weld itself together or it's slipping and worn out, this is a really great option. This is you bring your 7-speed Jatco transmission from a Q50 or Q60 that's rear drive. You're also going to bring the torque converter with you, and we're going to supply these other bits to try and help you make that job easy on the swap. That transmission from the Q is built way tougher. It's made a whole lot more torque, and we can get crisper shifts out of it, better hold, overall better driving experience, less trouble with you broke down on the side of the road. Let's run through the parts and take a look at how it comes together. Each 370Z kit is going to include our stainless steel platinum drive shaft. It's going to come with a template to mark where you'll need to notch the bell housing for the correct position on the crank sensor. You're going to keep running the flex plate from your engine or one of our billet flex plate engines that's appropriate for your VHR. That tone ring is going to stay, and your torque converter should bolt up without any issues. So you're going to get a guide to mark that, make it real nice and clean. You get a bracket kit to relocate your O2 sensor and harness. You get a transmission mount that's appropriate to make it a bolt-in solution, and you're going to get a plug for the old hole in the bell housing where the crank sensor used to be on that VR application. Get some hardware too. Everything you need to kind of bring the hard parts to the party and make that a simplified operation to a bolt-in solution. Real common on these, aside from the trans failures that I mentioned, is phantom code P0720S, somewhat common. There are two schools of thought, it seems, in the VR swap community for this trans, that you may want to move your TCM over to your new transmission from inside the bell housing or inside the pan that's bolted onto the valve body. That can absolutely be done, assuming you don't have this code. If you have the code, you have a TCM fault. It's actually not a speed sensor fault. There's TSB on this. You guys check it out. Obviously, we want you to do your research and make sure you're getting your hands on good parts when you go to do the swaps. You can be having a good time behind the wheel. But we've had good experience swapping the transmissions without changing the TCM at all as well, and we've had good experience. But that part we're not providing you, right? The transmission and torque converter, unless you want to pick it up new, we've got those available on the site. But if you're looking for a solution to make your car a rocket ship and make it reliable and hold power, the VR transmission swap from the Q50 or Q60 is a great option, simplified today by Z1. You guys have questions on this, or maybe you're looking for other things to make your Z go fast, we've got you covered with everything on that, the maintenance, repair, taking care of it, restoring it, just making it awesome. Feel free to reach out to our team. They're here to help. They're into it just like you are.